Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I will be giving this beautiful young lady a silk press, which I will show you from beginning to end. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up, share this video out, and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Okay, so like I said, we're going to get started on her silk press. Go ahead, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video.
Hey, believe me, I never got invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late, and I really love it, never want to change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad. I just want some insight on the life of the average teenage dog, one who looks like on the outside but she just has it all. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Not trying to complain, I'm just a little curious, cause I see the picture, see the post. Reckless me, not even close. Cause why would I be something that I'm not? I should be happy with the friends I've got, but these thoughts still come to mind, and I can't help but wondering sometimes, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad, but I bet if I was there I wouldn't care. I'd dance but I'd stay low. Kids all raising cups while I'm in the back staring at my phone. And I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. Thought of what could have been still gets under my skin, but is it worth all the stress, all this constant he said, she saidness? Pressure of society, I won't let it get to me, not defined by popularity. I'll decide who I'll be. I know that it doesn't matter in the end, but sometimes I feel I'm on the outside looking in. And I'm happy where I'm at, so I won't get too vocal. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. But sometimes I wonder what it's like to be a little bit more social. I like it hot and sweet, sugar with extra cream. Gives me all day energy. All it took was one sip. That's all I needed. cappuccino machine. It's my coffee time. Mocha, espresso, latte, cappuccino. I'll make it however you want me to. Mocha, espresso, latte, cappuccino. I'll make it however you want me to. My early morning coffee, I like it. Coffee, I like it like that. Coffee, like you. My early morning coffee, I like it. Coffee, I like it like that. Coffee, like you. I like it strong like I like you. I like it like I like it. I like it strong like I like you. I like it. I like it strong like I like you. Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit.
Alright guys, this is the final look. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up. And hit that notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Hope to see you in past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.